Hello, good day. Welcome to revit tutorial 23 from Technics Design. In this tutorial, we are going to create a family template TV stand to be precise. So let's click on Open New Project. Go to English. Go to Furniture and see Base Open. Let it load. Now we have two plain references that we are going to work on. So these references guide us in our model making when we want to use all these creation tools to create what we want to create. So the first thing we need to do is to use extrusion to create our stand base. So go to elevation. Let's go to front or back, choose anyone. So from these references, what you create is to create extrusion. Click on extrusion, click on rectangular tools, or first click on a vertical so that you have the center to coordinate. So from here now you offset. So we want to use 800 meter by 800 meter. So type 800 on your keyboard, select this, type 800. Okay, do the same thing here as well. Now, so delete the middle line, delete. So draw the horizontal line. Good. So offset the horizontal line, make it 400 because of the height will not be too high. So now trim. Follow this step by step. Subscribe to our channel so that a lot of video you have access to them. As you are doing it immediately, you'll be able to get the video. So please kindly subscribe. Now choose the rectangle to the offset it to say -15, because that is the size of the 15 mm is the size of MDF board, and you know MDF board is what they use to for furniture use. So this is what to do for now. Say okay, click OK. Now you have generated your, go to 3D view and go and see what you've done. Click on home. Yeah, that is it. Now you can, this is extrusion, you can expand the more the way you want it to be. You just type the depth here, say 350, enter. Right. So now as we've done this one, we want to create the storage inside it. So everything is just about graphics representation. So what you need to do in the storage again is to create another what is it called? Create another board, but this time around you can decide to copy this one and edit it. So place a copy from here and put it here. So cancel and say edit. In your edit, what you just need to do is to bring that here. The same thing, move. Good. The same thing here, you say move from the outside. Move it to the middle point. Now trim everything. Cancel, trim, trim. So you say finish. Yeah, what happened? Okay. So that's 3. You've done that. So now the next thing to do is to click finished. After that you have done that, then mirror this particular one that you have just created. Okay, go to 3D, then you adjust them, move them in a little bit. Okay, the same thing. All right, so after you've done this, go back to the back. So next thing to do is to create another extrusion. You know, we are using extrusion all through here. To grease extrusion again, from the middle, just draw that box rectangle. So here you select, make it 15 again, so press enter. So finish that. So as you done that, go to 3D. You can't do without 3D. You must always come there and select and adjust. So take it back from there, back, the mirror. Good. So as you've done that now, what next to do is to create the cover part. So click extrusion again. This time around, you are not going to let it be of the same, so just take it somewhere, lift like 5 millimeter to the edge. Good. Say finished, or say okay, edit, because we want to have the twin aspect of it. We are not opening it, you just want to make a graphic representation. So say from here. Good. So it's more bigger, then you reduce the size here by clicking your arrow, the page up arrow. So finish, then go back to 3D. Here you reduce the height, the depth, and the depth look more smaller. So as you see it, good. So you can have as well, take it a little bit in. So you have a depth of, type it here, 15. Okay. So now you can mirror this one as well, but we are not going to mirror that because we have different thing for that space. So the next thing to do is to create the handle for it. Go to line reference. First click so that you know what you want to do. So it was at this place, then you click on. So now is this how you are going to do your handle. So create from this handle. Now what we want to use is to create sweep. Use sweep to do this one. Click on sketch parts from the middle. You can click something like 140. It's okay. Here you say finished. Edit profile. Go to the back or front, anywhere you know. You go to the front and let it open. From here you just draw a rectangular box around this. So here the rectangular box could be something like 8 Same thing here as well, 8 by 8, 8mm by 8mm. So say finished, finish it up. So now you carry this, move it to somewhere middle, adjust it to, so move the same thing. Now you can decide to say, okay, edit it, edit the part, sorry, edit the profile. Then this particular rectangle, you repeat it up, so copy and bring it up here. Where you put it, adjust it to go up a bit and say okay. You see that you're going to have them, so you have double. So when you look at it from 3D, good. So you have already created that aspect of what you are trying to do. Now you have done, as I've done this one, what next to do is to create the stand where this TV is going to rest on. So go to right side. Now you create that aspect by creating extrusion again. This time around you are going to create something different a bit. Give it a space. Let it be a little bit higher than that. The board might be bigger, like 30. Like double board you are going to use in that space, because you are going to pin or use screw to screw TV on it. This is an aspect of interior design that you need to understand. You just follow us. We are giving everything detail one after the other. So copy here, just give a little space and copy the top, repeat it again. So that is the stand. You click finished and go to your front or back, anywhere you know, then adjust it. I just stretched it to each side. That's fine. And if you are not okay with this, you can still click and edit this by taking it up again. But for me now, it's not tall enough, doesn't have enough height, so I would like to add more steps, one more step to it. Okay, let's say copy from here and drop it here to finish. Go to the front and go and see your 3D. You see what you have created. Now that's after done that, you've done this one. So the next thing is to put a TV space in this particular place. So go to your elevation, your back. At this space now, you say create extrusion. Use your rectangular box. So it depends on the size of the TV you are creating. So I'm creating something like 1002 by 800. So as I have that one, I click finish. In my 3D, I will adjust it, take it in a bit. Good. So this one now stands as a TV for you, but it's not yet Uhuru. What you just need to do now is to create a frame around it. So click on front. At the front now, click sweep, create sweep, the parts, and your parts just do fine. So click edit the profile from the right or from the left, anywhere, just say from left. From there now you do the rectangular profile. So adjust it, type the thickness of the TV like this. All this ultra trim TV that we are seeing nowadays, just like 10 millimeter is appropriate enough. So 10 like 10 millimeter. Okay, shift it a little bit inside, but cover the space small. Click finish and click finish again. So when you look at it from your 3D, Now you have the ticket code. So if you want to put logo here, you can decide to put your logo. So that is how you do that. So now let us create something like a sandbar. The sandbar creates revit extrusion. Do extrusion here. Create it here like okay, like 70. I said 800 and something. So from here you say, because you don't want it to just be just like this. Escape. Okay. So inside there, we remove this line. Remove this line. So click finished. On your elevation, drag it up and let it rest on this. So when you go to 3D view, you see your sandbar here. So you need to adjust this one to something that will give you some great look in and a refresh mind on certain things. So now what to do on your sandbar depends on your depth or the height of which you are using. You just want to use something like 100 mm. Good. So this is sandbar here representing. You can adjust it and bring some kind of beauty towards it. So let me just adjust something here by saying copy this and go to the side, say copy, remove it, control, take it up. So from here now, so edit this in your vertical reference, click edit, offset it inside like 10. Do not click copy, you just want to offset everything in there. Good. So click finish, go to the left like that. So adjust it a bit. No one sees that, so click it. So give it a little bit to leave from there. So by the time you are doing your rendering, that aspect is going to be definite and be cleared. So now let us change, adjust material for every one of them. So the first to do is to click here on this one, say okay, edit category. I'm using something, always use render analysis. So click duplicate. It doesn't matter, you may not name them, it does not really matter. This one, then go to appearance library, click on what would you use. So click on wood panel. I don't like this wood, I need something black. I'm going to get what I want, the kind of wood. So go to wood, click okay, softwood, add wood. This wood did not have enough. Some of this did not have enough material to use. Okay, just let's use the wood that's available. So let me use mahogany. Say okay, here's the image. Good. So say okay for that, apply to it. You can use your reality or shade so that you'll be able to monitor the way it's going. This particular, you change this to something black, duplicate the material, adjust this, click on this black, so click on it. The same thing here, adjust this particular one, duplicate it as well, because I don't want the kind of black that will dark too much, so I just want a little bit different among them. Okay, we're sealing black. That be appearance. Go to plastic. Okay, fine texture. Use this fine texture. It's okay. You see, the black are different, so it gives you the relief of okay what you are doing. Like this one, you use the same thing with mahogany. Click on it. Say okay. This inside one, I want to change the color to something babyish, something that look like very different kind of color that can bring. So like this bamboo, use this. Okay, apply. Now change this one to another color, like duplicate it. You say fine. On it, just use white, square white. Good. So do the same thing here as well. Use this one to do, adjust them to suit. Click like that. So there I'm going to use the same mahogany for them. Fine. So I'm changing this one to metal. Edit. Duplicate it. So let's use aluminium polish. Say okay. Fine. So this background, I'm choosing this pure white background. Duplicate. Edit. Something like okay, library appearance, ceramic. Okay, so I'm using pure white. Or sunny temple. Let me use sunny temple, not too white, because we are using them in interior. So this one, use the color of any of this. So click. I'm using yes outside. This particular guy inside is going to take the form of that one inside. So I'm using this particular black. So that is how you create your something. Now let me create stand for this. Now go to this particular place, click create suite. No, go to left side, create suite, then use this. What you do here, good. Delete this particular one. So finish. Click on edit. Yes, right. Do circle. Something like this. So to finish. Good. Now the next thing to do, go to reference, and this reference now we want to do create sweep again. Create sweep parts, click vertical, align it. Should be aligned. Okay, now click finish, go to elevation. So from here I want to do something for this leg. Click here, adjust a bit. So 2. What's it say? click here, edit. So that to the line. It's too short. Okay, if it's too short, adjust it. Okay, so finish it. So mirror it. Good. You have that for adjust it so that be at the middle center. So you change the material for this. Like, let it be metal. This one, change it to something black. Good. So go to front, back anyway. Click this. Say move it to the edge, something close to the edge. Now rotate it. Click on copy. Move to the center here. From here now. Somewhere here. So adjust this one. Say mirror with copy. Good. Now shift this up because when you want to load it to a project, remove constraint. Adjust it a bit. Good. So go to 3D. You see what you've done. See the leg. See everything. So now you can open a project. Let's just open one project and say, or let's open new one. Click say new. Use architecture templates. Yes, music architecture. Okay, that's a new project. So here just click wall, not draw any wall around, make 3000. Fine. Make sure you watch all this video from beginning to the end. It will help you a lot. A lot of people shy away from clicking template because they don't know how. So this is how to create template of your own to suit you. So you say finished. As you've done that now, so you go to your elevation, your something, then you click on load to project. So you have it here. So when you go to 3D now, there's no project you load this thing that will not load here. So go to your 3D and say 3D. Are you seeing it? So you have it. When you click on reality, you can decide to adjust this or delete it. So this is what you have created. So in next lesson we are going to use this one. You create some accurate something on it and give a very clear indicate, a sweet one for that matter. This is how you create your 3D noise. So now you can crop a space if it's too big or too large for you. Crop it so you are focused on what you do. soon to fit. That is how you create your, what is it called, your TV stand. You can render this if you wish to render it. Every color is going to come out. That's the detail on TV stand for you.